So hello guys, this is Sanjeet and welcome back to the channel everyone. So guys, you are waiting for so long, like Windows 11 just released and you are not able to install it because you are not getting dev channel options. And why you are not getting that option? Because of some people don't have TPM, secure boot and some processor issue. So main cause of this problem is TPM and secure boot option. Let me tell you how you can fix it very quickly. So just go into start and click on settings, and in settings you need to click on update and security. Go into Windows Insider program. You can see at the top your PC doesn't meet hardware requirement and all that. Whenever you click on release preview channel, you can't see other channels. Okay, so what you need to do here, just right click start and run, and here you need to type regedit registry, open it, and here you need to go into H key local machine. Here you need to go into system, and in system you need to find something like setup. In setup, in your case there can be some lab config, but in my case it is not, so let me create it. So type here lab config, and in lab config on the right side create two keys. One is bypass TPM check, and second you need to create bypass secure boot check and modify it to 1. That's the only thing you need to do with these two keys. Okay, now all things are just done. Close all things, and now you just need to restart your system, and that's it. So after restart, go into settings, and in setting click on update and security, and here you can see Windows 11 Insider preview, this and that. So don't worry about it, just click on go to Windows Insider program settings, or you can directly go to this setting. So before restarting your system you need to unlink your account. That's I just forgot to tell you, and after that you can just restart and link your account again. Okay, so that's how it's works. So now you can see your PC does not meet minimum hardware and this and that. Just don't worry about it, just click on custom, and now you can see here dev channel option. Just select it, and all things are just done guys. And just go back and check for update, and if you see this message just click on retry, or you can just click on check for update, and after that you will see here Windows 11 Insider preview. And let me show you my TPM thing. Okay, tpm.msc you need to type here. You can see here TPM is not supported here, and this computer has 1.2 TPM. Okay, and you can also check it from Windows security. Type here Windows security and open it, and this is a very good way to know your Windows support TPM or secure boot option. Just click on device security, and here you will see some option like processor or the secure boot. Two things you will see here if supported. In my case it is not supported because I am installing on unsupported hardware. So guys, that's how we can just download it or upgrade to Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Okay, and let me tell you, if you're already running Windows 10, then you can also run Windows 11. So guys, that's it for the video. If you like this video, so just hit the like button and do subscribe if you are new on this channel. So okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and guys please watch this video till the end if you want to follow all the steps correctly.